Welcome to Jacksonville. My name is Captain Lou. I run 1,600 hours of flying R-44 helicopters, and I'd love to see you soon and show you downtown as well as the beaches area. Take care.
Chasing down the days of fear, chasing down a dream before it disappeared. I was aching to be somewhere near your voice. Was all I heard. I was shaking from a storm in me, haunted by the specters that we had to see. Yeah, I wanted to be the melody above the noise, above the hurt. I was young, not dumb, just wishing to be blinded by you, brand new, and we were pilgrims on our way. I woke